Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first, open your phone dialer, click on keypad and let's start the adventure with codes. The first one, actually the pretty simple code is *##06#. It's not only short but also it provides you with super basic info, which is IMEI and serial number. So it's super useful for everybody, as there is a lot of situations in which we need to provide those numbers. Then tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *##, *##, 225, #*#. And as you can see here, we've got the calendar info. So whenever you wish to check all upcoming events, they will be all displayed here. It includes all the calendars that are connected with this device. So also super useful. And another code that I wish to show you is *##, 426, #*#. And as you can see, this is the diagnostic mode in which you can find events and status. So you can smoothly reach very advanced data. And also if you wish to explore it a bit more, tap on more and select view advanced view, open advanced view. So you've got even more info here. So that's it. Let's stay with those free codes. Obviously you can use any other also the same way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.